learn. 6 months, I guess, is 6 months or 4 months is more than enough. And just try and get giving interview in the companies, and just start learning, because Salesforce, as I know, after 3 years of experience, I have colleagues which are 20 years, 17 years, and 15 years of experience, and they still learn Salesforce, because Salesforce is just as vast as it can get. It has all the clouds, all the technologies, AI, and whatever you may call. So you have to just start at some point. Just don't be underconfident. Start at one point, and you have to consider this point that you have to learn all of your life. Some skills you have to upgrade yourself. Yeah. So
Okay, thank you, Shiraz. Now we might be using some terms which are very foreign to you, right? Salesforce, CRM, ERP, BI, Python. I know some of you are intelligent and smart, and you'll be able to find out what that word means. But there is a whole lot of system out there in IT, right? What you want to do, where you want to go. So we will talk about all this technology, us stepping out that this is the product or this is the company that you want to go to, because it's very difficult, right? Technologies change, trends happen, and आप जिस जगह में दाव डाल रहे हो, bet डाल रहे हो, वो आगे बढ़ेगा कि नहीं, correct? That's the question which all of you are. It was for me कि यार मैं अभी तो C पढ़ लिया या ये टेक्नोलॉजी पढ़ लिया या ये कर लिया, इसके सामने जॉब मिलेगा क्या? इसमें यार मुझे ना पैसे चाहिए, लोगों को दिखाना है कि यार मैं भी कुछ बन सकता हूँ, मैं भी कुछ कर सकता हूँ, right? So all these questions are there, and we'll try to address some of these. Now, there are a lot of people coming in and going out. I'm presuming that it must be because of the network. So I'm hoping that Shiraz, ऐसा कोई है ना मैं तुझे कोच बना सकता हूँ इसमें. I don't see there's any button for that, but I think we have 90 people and I'll get started till I get another sound. So I will be swapping in and out of the presentation where I have got too many people to admit. All right. So apologize for that from beginning itself. All right.
yeah, just to add one thing. By the time for all the folks, you can just put in the chat what you want to talk, what you want to listen from us. What questions do you have? So that will be easy for us to take this orientation ahead. Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
Arnab, go ahead. Yeah.
Yes, and if you have any questions, you can raise your hand. Like I can see Mohit Srivastava has raised his hand. Mohit, any questions from your side? Yeah, no questions? Okay. All right, that must be my mistake then. All right, great. So I'm going to now make the presentation available to you. And meanwhile, I also want to share what all questions you've given, so don't drop your questions. मैं एक चीज आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि the more you ask, the more you will get. If you don't ask, you will not get, right? So ask those things and we will answer all your questions. And it will be for 7 o'clock that we will take the session too. So I can see some questions. First, intern training, internship, technology, C, best programming language, machine learning. I can see a lot of these questions. Python, क्या है Python? वो क्या चीज़ है? उसमें आगे बढ़ना है कि नहीं? ठीक है ना? तो हम दिखाते हैं from our knowledge what all is available. If I don't cover something, I will take it up. So let's our agenda. Are you guys able to see my screen? Okay. Now the first question was, what do you want?
Yes.
Okay. What do you want to achieve? Right. Now, itna cheez yaad rakna, my friends. Whatever you want in life, it is possible for you to get. If that was the paradigm that we want to talk about, what do you want to do? Where do you want to go? मेरा question का कुछ answers following slide में है. What I want from my life, and I want you to relate to it. Value for success. कुछ चीज चाहिए होता है. एक तो आप कॉलेज से पढ़ते हो, एक जो आप पढ़ोगे. मगर मैं जो देखता हूँ, I'm your recruiter, for example. मैं जो देखता हूँ, वो देखता हूँ बंदे का कैरेक्टर. मैं देखता हूं उसका एप्टीट्यूड, क्योंकि यू नो देयर इज समथिंग आई कांट टीच। मैं तुझे सी सिखा सकता हूँ, पाइथन तू सीख जाएगा, मगर तेरा एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स लाइफ आई कैन नॉट टीच यू, राइट? सो आई हायर माय गाइस, I hire so many people. I have got thousands of vacancies in Cognizant. I take interviews in so many people, and what I see is your winning attribute, your attitude towards solving problems, because सब कुछ में गूगल में मिल जाता है, राइट? सो आई कैन नॉट टेल यू इस फॉर्मूला का मतलब क्या है या फॉर्मूला बताओ, राइट? मुझे देखना पड़ता है बंदे का एटीट्यूड, एप्टीट्यूड, राइट? दैट्स हाउ आई हायर माय पीपल। आई विल आल्सो टेल यू, वी विल टेल यू अबाउट द एंटरप्राइज स्पेस, कि ये सेल्सफोर्स, सीआरएम, एप्लीकेशन, हाँ ये सब है क्या? हाउ डू आई नेविगेट माई सेल्फ? ये पूरा एंटरप्राइज स्टैक क्या होता है? कहाँ कहाँ हम अटैक कर सकते हैं? कहाँ पे हम अपना एक स्पेशलाइजेशन बना सकते हैं? वो स्पेशलाइजेशन जो आगे जाके दैट कैन गिव मी अ पे ऑफ, राइट? ये एप्लीकेशन स्टैक होता क्या है? एप्लीकेशन होता क्या है? ये अपने करियर में ये डोमेन क्या होता है? टेक्नोलॉजी क्या होता है? स्पेशलाइजेशन किस में कर सकते हैं, राइट? There are certain things, Amit, I and Shiraz will tell you that might be some parts of it, but it is not the truth. You need to explore out there. What are the trends? So we will tell you some of these trends in the industry. We'll tell you some of these jobs available for you. In fact, today morning I went to several of the Naukri sites and I looked for IT jobs available. कौन सा टेक्नोलॉजी में ज्यादा जॉब है, कौन सा प्रोफाइल ज्यादा है, कौन सा लैंग्वेज अच्छा है, कौन सा स्टैक अच्छा है, और आई कुडंट एंड बिकॉज there are so many languages out there. I'll tell you, I know only 10% of it. After 20 years, I still know so much because there is new technologies coming out every minute. All right, so let's try to decipher some of these, and let me know if you guys have a problem in my words or if I speak in English. All right. Okay, great. So the objective of this session is to show you the pathway, right? हम आपको जरिया दिखा सकते हैं, रास्ता दिखा सकते हैं, मगर चलना आपका काम है, right? To tread that path. We can only show you the pathways. So that's what we are trying to show you. What are the roles available? Help you want to develop a character, a winning attitude towards life. Roles that are available. कितना पैसा आपको कहाँ मिल सकता है, कौन सी नौकरी में मिल सकता है, and one is very close to my heart, is a holistic growth. मतलब just because you earn lakhs of rupees doesn't make you successful. Just because you have 4 bungalows in Bombay doesn't make you successful, guys. There is lots to it, and I'll try to show you some areas of that the way I have discovered it. But let us see. Let's move ahead. So live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Right? सही है ना? जियो ऐसे कि कल आप मरने वाले हो, एंड पढ़ाई करो ऐसे तो जिंदगी भर कम ना हो. एंड इट इज ट्रू इन द मिड लाइफ, राइट? हम सोचते हैं कि भाई मेरी जिंदगी तो हो गई, जहां पे पहुंचना था मैं पहुंच गया, अभी क्या करना, मैं और पढ़ाई करता हूँ और सर्टिफिकेशन लाता हूँ. And because there is so much more to life, like we are all doing right now. So the one thing that I really want to master and want you to master, whether you're working, studying, anything in your life, we will show you technology mein ye, technology mein wo, but you guys need to find your skills. This is over here, and the challenges that you have, where you are in this entire presentation or your entire life. You might be, if you have the skills but don't have the challenges. For example, you don't have those jobs, right? You have the skill, you learned Python. मैं कलकत्ता में था and मैंने प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज सीखा था, मगर नौकरी नहीं थी. क्या करूं? पापा मुझे बॉम्बे जाना है, पापा मुझे पूना जाना है. So I left. मैंने बोला कि I want to take those risks and I will find out. So I left. I had the skill. I found my way in Bombay. लोकल ट्रेन का धक्का खाया मैंने बॉम्बे में, गिर गया, उठा चढ़ा, होने दो, मुझे तो जिंदगी में कुछ करना है, चाहे गिरो मरो. सो दैट्स वेयर you might be, right? So you need to find, if you are too much skilled, you will try to control. Some of us, we might be, or if you are too relaxed, challenges aren't many. आपको नौकरी है, पैसा आ रहा है, you are like, है भी skilled, challenges भी थोड़े थोड़े आ रहे हैं, I'm relaxed, right? और there are so many challenges, right? आज के जमाने में मेरे पास इतना काम है कि वीकेंड में भी काम करता हूँ फिर भी नहीं खत्म होता है, इतने सारे challenges हैं, right? So I'm always aroused, always anxious. कभी कभी ये एंजाइटी में बदल जाता है. I get heart pressure, I get risks, right? Anxiety हो जाता है. So you need to guys find out what is that skill you need to have and what are the challenges to have a state of mind which is called a flow. कि आप वो flow में हो. When you are riding your bike, riding a cycle, you are just in that flow. कोई भी मुझे कुछ भी करे, मुझे धक्का मारे फिर भी मैं नहीं गिरूंगा. That is the state of mind that you should be in your life. You should be relaxed and always in a flow. Whatever you're doing in life, rather you are sitting in this seminar, make it count. Sit up front. Don't lean back in your sofa, right? Because this is about your life, about what you're going to do next in your life. We are going to be here standing for you to make a difference. So, what was my life about? What did I want to do in life? I wanted to be here. I wanted to be Jeff Bezos. I want to be Elon Musk. I wanted to be Bill Gates. I want to be Mark Zuckerberg. Make a difference, right? मैं यहाँ जानना चाहता था. पता नहीं आप यहाँ होना चाहते हो कि नहीं. मैं तो यहाँ होना चाहता हूँ. And मैं कभी कभी देखते रहता हूँ, यार ये Amazon इतना बड़ा कैसे हो गया, या Tesla इतना बड़ा कैसे हो गया, Bill Gates कितना बड़ा कैसे हो गया, right? And what are these companies that they are doing? If you look at these companies, okay, what do Amazon do? They are aggregators. They are facilitators to providing. आज घर में बैठ के मेरे पिताजी at the age of 70 is ordering things at Amazon like a sweet or something, and he's getting it. He is reducing his, going to the market and everything. He's solving a business problem. हम लोग बहुत समय टेक्नोलॉजी लाइफ में ऐसे सोचते हैं, we are the end of all problems, right? But that's where Jeff Bezos is. Every one of them here, most of them I see, Amit, you can tell me a little about here, but all of these are somewhat technology companies, right?
So technology has taken over almost every business now. Even if you see these cab services, right, taxi, which used to be old economy cabs, right? So people used to say that technology will probably is very hyped up, right? But with time, what has happened is technology has made inroads into every aspect. So technology is here to stay. The point is, I believe, what are the people might be interested in knowing is what are different options, as people asking, what are the different routes they can take to enter the technology industry. I think we might focus on that. Yeah.
Absolutely. All right. So let's look at the trends. Okay. Now this is something very close, right? Trends that are there. Where does the industry lead us? How do we good to go? So if you see the trends, आप ये ट्रेंड अगर आप फॉलो करेंगे कि लाइफ में कैसा था, पहले स्टीम इंजन था, राइट? देन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आया, फिर कंप्यूटिंग आया, जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी, आप सॉफ्टवेयर में काम कर रहे हो, एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू ईट अवे और टेक अवे अ लॉट ऑफ योर जॉब्स. आज आप जाके नहीं देते हो, सब क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग के थ्रू, फेसबुक के थ्रू, यूट्यूब के थ्रू ये हो रहा है. बट द राइड दैट यू गाइज आर गोइंग टू राइड is the fourth industrial revolution, right? In terms of artificial intelligence, in terms of robotics, in terms of nanotechnology, quantum computing, Internet of Things. I don't know you guys know of all this. We will try to touch upon some of these areas. But the reason I'm telling you this is because मैं आपको आज बताता हूँ cloud computing is best. कल को कुछ और आएगा, right? So we need to follow the trends कि कौन सा line आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा. It all depends upon where you want to go and lead in life. But I'm showing you what are the trends in the industry. कहाँ पे जा सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं. So if you look at it, I, Amit and Shiraz, we have put our bets on cloud computing, right? Some of us are in cloud computing. Some of us are in IoT. Some of us are in RPA, in big data. So these are the ways the industry is moving towards. So you can choose whether you want to be going towards mobile technologies, Internet of Things, or sensors, big data, cloud computing. So these are the trends. The reason I'm telling you is because this is going to be the next future going forward, right? And if you look at these trends, because of coronavirus also, cyber security has become a very big field. Artificial intelligence. Now, how many of you know what is artificial intelligence? If you want to answer, you can raise your hand and I can call upon you. Anyone knows what is artificial intelligence? Yes, you can unmute your phone and you can ask if anything is there. Or okay.
I guess Sohail has raised the hand. So
Oh yeah, Suhail, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, artificial intelligence is something, I think it's part of the human comfort. Everything is being done digitally. You know, it's just the computer-based, I think computer-based technology in which machines are being controlled digitally. All it's about the human comfort, sir.
Okay. Okay. So artificial intelligence, yeah, absolutely. So machines have become smarter and smarter over the time, right? So you can program, these machines. You can get things done, right? So let me tell you a quick story. So in a hospital, right? We were in IBM. They were prototyping a kind of machine that diagnoses different ailments of patients and actually coming out with certain solutions to those problems, like to diagnose cancer, to diagnose AIDS, to diagnose all these things, right? So doctors were able to get artificial intelligence to help them to diagnose disease. Imagine how powerful this has become. And if you be part of these technologies, then that's the right you must take. So there is all of this artificial intelligence programming that has come up, and that's shaping the lives of so many people. So that is what it is. And then we have got cloud computing. Now, how many of you know, sorry, Internet of Things? What is IoT? Anyone knows what is Internet of Things? Yeah. So IoT is basically, you have got small microchips placed in different devices, and that gives signals. So, like for example, आजकल ad चलता है, आप room में जाते हो, and the AC kind of gets to know that you are coming, and it detects you and it switches on, or light detecting, while you're walking down the street, you've got detecting lights and things get on. I've got one customer who had got IoT placed in his weighing bridges. So जब trucks ऊपर से जाते हैं, it records that कितना pressure था और कितना सामान गाड़ी में रखा हुआ है. या आप जब Honda गाड़ी चलाते हो तो those are IoT driven. If you put just your mobile phone and you can see your fuel, your mechanical devices, how they are doing. So these are kind of Internet of Things, that basically your machines and all these things are basically connected, right? You are able to operate all these things from the internet, right? Intelligently. So these are Internet of Things that I'm talking about. Then cloud computing. How many of you know what's cloud computing? So these are the trends going forward, right? So if you don't know, I'll explain that as well. But I want you guys to be interactive. Ask us, or anyone knows what's cloud computing? Okay, so no problem. So I'll explain. I'm also admitting people, so I said I will swap between the issue. Okay, so पहले हमारे पास machines हुआ करते थे, right? PCs हुआ करते थे, अभी भी है. Then there were servers, and these servers were there, right? People started buying PCs for home and servers. Everybody started buying hundreds and lakhs and thousands of servers and racks. And suddenly someone, came out with an idea. Why are we, why can't we have all this computing which is happening on these client server architecture and put it into a grid of servers where the whole thing is happening on that in the group of computers connected together. We call it the cloud. So instead of you having a very top-notch machine, all the computing then goes to the server or on the cloud in which it happens. The easiest example of cloud computing is, for example, your Gmail, right? Your Facebook, right? Is there lots of servers you require on all of that? They're all in the cloud. Your Gmail accessing is in the cloud. So you're accessing your Gmail, all your servers, all your emails are kept out in the cloud, right? You are accessing that, just getting your stuff done, and you don't have to save anything to your machine. It's either on Google Drive, or it is on Google Mail, or is it on Google Photo, or it's a Facebook where all the things are happening there. So you don't have to move anywhere. So that is an example of cloud computing. So a lot of people started getting economies of scale. सोचो जब सर्वर एक साथ ग्रिड में होता है तो आपके पास ज्यादा कंप्यूटिंग पावर नहीं होने से भी चलता है, सर्वर में सब कुछ होता है, right? Then if I can keep on talking, there are lots of trends, but I'm just taking you the top few. So if I start explaining what's blockchain, it's going to take another 1 hour. So I'll not get into that. I'll move forward. Some of you who are not on mute, go on mute if you're not speaking. All right. So what is the IT career path that you can take? What are the jobs that are there, right? If I talk, or Shiraz will talk, we'll talk only about cloud jobs. But then what are the other jobs that are available, right? There are a lot of jobs around networking. There are a lot of jobs around security. A lot of people want to be creative and they do multimedia, right? Video gaming, mobile development. People do iOS, या mobile apps देखते हैं, सब mobile development है. या website देखते हैं, जो web development है. Business intelligence देखते हैं, जो BI है, right? Big data है. Storages है, database, hardware, health, telecommunication, programming, application development, project management, IT management. These are all the different career paths that you can take, right? So anyone has interest on any of these areas you can take. Now, we will focus a little more on the development career or the application careers. Now, what is application? हम जब एप्लीकेशन की बात करते हैं तो क्या होता है? देखिए पहले when you look at a server stack, जब आप stacks देखते हो तो आप पहले देखिए आपके पास मशीन होता है, राइट? सो दैट इज बेसिक पीसी. और उसके बाद आपका नेटवर्किंग होता है, फिर स्टोरेज होता है, फिर सर्वर्स होता है, फिर वर्चुअलाइजेशन होते हैं, फिर ओएस होता है, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जैसे विंडोज, राइट? फिर मिडलवेयर्स होते हैं जब कनेक्टिंग करते हैं, राइट? मिडलवेयर टेक्नोलॉजी जैसे connecting different machines. Middleware like I can give you an example of a lot of middlewares available. So data and application. So we are talking around this right now, application. मैंने क्यों application choose किया? क्योंकि देखो आज के तारीख में ज्यादातर लोग आजकल सर्वर वर्वर नहीं रख रहे हैं, सब क्लाउड में कंप्यूटिंग होता है. So application has become software as a service. Everybody can get into Google, do their stuff, come out. You don't have to buy heavy machines, heavy servers. So world is moving towards software as a service or platform as a service. An example of a platform मतलब जैसे आप Amazon देख सकते हो, Google देख सकते हो, सब प्लेटफॉर्म एज ए सर्विस है. मतलब वहां पे वो लोग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोवाइड करते हैं जहां पे आप अपना कंप्यूटिंग कर सको, राइट? अपने एप्लीकेशन चला सको. दे प्रोवाइड डेटाबेस, दे प्रोवाइड infrastructure, they provide servers. You don't have to do anything, you just tweak it. So there are a lot of admin related jobs that are available. So world ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको आज जावा सीखेंगे तो सबको एप्लीकेशन बनाना पड़ेगा. So there are a lot of IT jobs that are just managing the infrastructure, managing data, managing all these applications which are out there. So हम आपको बताएंगे कुछ चीज and we'll go deeper in as we are moving down. All right. So the important part in framing any career, Amit can also talk about it, is domain and technology. ये इस तरह है, domain and technology. आप सोचो हेल्थ केयर हॉस्पिटल में काम किए, आप यहाँ पे सक्षम है तो बी डोमेन स्पेसिफिक, आप उस डोमेन में आगे बढ़िए. और दूसरा है टेक्नोलॉजी. आप कोई भी टेक्नोलॉजी देखिए, कोई भी, आप सी पकड़ो, पाइथन पकड़ो, जावा पकड़ो, सेल्सफोर्स पकड़ो, तो ये आपका टेक्नोलॉजी. आप कोई भी टेक्नोलॉजी ले सकते हैं और उसमें आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. So you have to have a balance between industry and technology, right? And also soft skills like leadership and functional skills. So all these skills and all these technology will actually lead you. So you have to keep measuring. मैं इस इंडस्ट्री से कभी उस इंडस्ट्री में जंप कर रहा हूँ, उस इंडस्ट्री से इस इंडस्ट्री. सो यू hodgepodge योर करियर. सो ट्राई टू स्टिक विद सर्टेन डोमेन्स. अब मैं ये भी बताऊंगा कौन सा डोमेन प्रॉफिटेबल है, कौन सा डोमेन वेरी गुड है. we'll go after that as well. And कौन सा टेक्नोलॉजी स्टैक अच्छा है. This is from our experience, right? But you must always think that all this makes success. आपको industry, technology, functional, technical, leadership, everything has to be there for you to be successful in what you're doing. All right. So here are some top industries that are there for domain. For example, if you look at finance and banking, right? If you look at marketing, advertising industry, तो आप जब नौकरी ढूंढ रहे हो तो you try to prefer कि भाई बैंकिंग की साइड जाएंगे, फाइनेंस के साइड जाएंगे, वहाँ पे बहुत नौकरियां हैं. मार्केटिंग एडवर्टाइजिंग की तरफ जाएंगे, ई कॉमर्स. अभी विद कोरोना वायरस एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग ऑल कॉमर्स, सो ह्यूज नीड फॉर ई कॉमर्स प्रोफेशनल्स. देन रिटेल, आप रिटेल मतलब ज्वेलरी स्टोर्स, बैग स्टोर्स, बिग बाजार, आपका पॉन्ड्स, ड्रीम फ्लावर, योर वीट, all these are CPG products. Then telecom, right? Vodafone, Airtel, pharmaceutical, healthcare. These are the industries which are really going to be big, right? Which are big and we are going to grow. So try to focus on that particular industry, any industry of your choice. Okay. So next, we're going to talk about, a lot of people asked about which programming language and all of that. So I will talk about little bit on these languages. कहाँ पे अपना बेट डालना, कौन सा टेक्नोलॉजी में आगे बढ़ना, कौन सा स्टैक रैंकिंग है इन टेक्नोलॉजी में, कौन सा अच्छा है, कौन सा बुरा है. So this is our opinion and our experience, right? You guys can take your call and take your decision, but we are giving a guidance to you. All right. So I can see a lot of people coming and going still. I'm getting those messages. So I will admit as soon as I see someone. Now I've got some questions as well. Sushil, Mohit, if you guys have any questions, please unmute and ask. All right. Okay. So let's look at what are the different jobs that are available. See, हम लोग जब देखते हैं ना ये पूरा आईटी लैंडस्केप, तो देयर इज सो मच चॉइसेस. मैं आपको लाखों ऐसे प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज बोल सकता हूँ and then you get confused. So it's slightly take a back seat and look at should I learn certain domain skills. हाँ, आपको डोमेन स्किल्स तो मिल जाएंगे, आप कोई भी इंडस्ट्री के साथ काम करोगे तो. टेक्निकल स्किल्स, आपको टेक्निकल स्किल में क्या पढ़ना है, आपको सर्वर के बारे में पढ़ना है, आपको डेटाबेस पढ़ना है, आपको फ्रंट एंड पढ़ना है, आपको बैक एंड पढ़ना है, क्या कौन सा चीज में आप ये करना चाहते हो, राइट? फ्रंट एंड, बैक एंड या डेवऑप्स, राइट? फ्रंट एंड में आपको पढ़ना है कोई पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेजेस लाइक फ्रंट एंड लैंग्वेजेस. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फ्रंट एंड लैंग्वेजेस. वील टेल यू some of it as well, which are good. So and then we're going to take on that. Just let me know if I'm talking too much technology. Also, you guys ask me, then I will stop talking on technology and talking more about what you want. But I'm trying to see and demystify some of the maze that is there about so many different technologies out there. Okay, so let's get into the job roles, right? What are the jobs which are available? आप लोग सुने होंगे there are full stack developers, right? And हम लोग सोचते हैं यार क्या लैंग्वेजेस होगा, कौन सी लैंग्वेजेस जो आगे बढ़ेंगी, फुल स्टैक डेवलपर्स क्या होते हैं. सो रिएक्ट जेएस, नोड जेएस, एंगुलर, मोंगोडीबी, ये क्या है ना, फुल स्टैक डेवलपर इज नथिंग बट आपने फ्रंट एंड का कुछ सीखा है, बैक एंड का थोड़ा बहुत सीखे हैं और सब कुछ. तो एक फुल स्टैक का आपको नॉलेज होना पड़ता है, फुल स्टैक डेवलपर्स. तो आप वहां पे आगे बढ़ सकते हैं कि हम मल्टीपल लैंग्वेजेस सीखें, कोई एक लैंग्वेज सीख के आगे बढ़े. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट चॉइसेस दैट यू हैव. सो वी आर जस्ट टेलिंग यू. Then there are DevOps engineers. आज के तारीख में there are a lot of people who are looking for DevOps guys. DevOps का मतलब क्या है? सोचो आप इंजीनियर हो, आपने एक बिल्डिंग बनाया, करेक्ट? आपने बिल्डिंग बना के आपने दे दिया, भाई आप सोसाइटी आप रन करो बिल्डिंग को, करेक्ट? एंड देन और छोड़ दिया. एंड जब बंदा आता है, ये प्लम्बिंग का ये प्रॉब्लम है, कभी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का ये प्रॉब्लम है, कभी लिफ्ट नहीं चलता है, तो ऑलवेज द इंजीनियर मेंटेनेंस वाला ब्लेम करेगा, भाई आपने क्या बिल्डिंग बनाया, कुछ नहीं चलता है ठीक से. सो then they started having guys basically who connect the development team with the operations team, and they mix them both, and they said that जो आप डेवलप कर रहे हो वही हमारे साथ मेंटेनेंस करेंगे ताकि बिजनेस बिल्डिंग फुल कंडीशन में चले. So this is called development people, operations people. They merge and they form the DevOps engineers. So there are a lot of technology and tools which are out there. देखो, अगर मैं आपको सब tools के बारे में बोलूं तो it's endless. तो मैं आपको कॉन्सेप्ट्स के बारे में बोलूंगा. एंड देन टूल्स आर आउट देयर. जेनकिंस है, गिटहब है, क्यूबरनेट्स है, पपेट है. दीज आर ऑल द टूल्स व्हिच आर आउट देयर, राइट? नाउ लॉट ऑफ दीज माइट साउंड लिटिल फॉरेन टू यू, बट bear your mind, you will get familiar as you get into the job life, because to make you job ready you have to know some of these skills. This is an orientation program, so I'm telling you what is out there for you to try and get to. This may not be the end. We'll do more on it as we go down. All right. Data scientists. You have heard a lot of people who are working on different programming languages. Python, R. In database, there is Oracle, that is MySQL, there's MongoDB. All these are database languages. But a lot is there happening in AL and ML in Python. So Python is a very, very hot skill, very, very hot. If you tell me across all programming languages, React JS, Python, JavaScript, these are the most happening languages that we need skills in larger companies, right? And then we have got marketing intelligence systems like search engine optimization. There will be a lot of jobs because there are a lot of sites, and all these sites you need to get people. Like today, I got you guys here, right? And I'm sitting out of a small village in Pune, right? Where I want you guys to come and participate and see what I've got to offer, right? So what did I do? I did WhatsApp marketing. I made a YouTube commercial. I made a PDF, and I walked it across to different influencers, which are Anil sir and your professors. And I said, hey, get them all over here and we'll talk about different technologies that are available. So I did a lot of marketing, email marketing. I send out mailers to you, right? One person sitting out of a village, sending out and getting and addressing hundreds of people, right? So you need to prepare yourself for these kind of skills, where you do search engine optimization, where you do content marketing, where you do email marketing, web analytics. These are all the different marketing intelligence. So in Salesforce, or there are big, large companies, right? I'll tell you about those companies also. You might be hearing about it, but I'm just losing some people. Just don't mind me, but why is it that they're not getting admitted by default? I'm just making sure that people are not facing any technical challenges while they're getting in. All right. So if there's any problem, let me know. If people are not able to get in or anything, also let me know, because I'm getting clings here, which means people are waiting. Okay. All right. Web analytics, IT program management. बहुत सारे देखो हमारे पास जो लोग आते हैं in for jobs, there are few skills. एक functional skill होता है, एक technical skills होता है, high level. Functional क्या होता है? Functional वो होता है जैसे जो इंडस्ट्री पता है, डोमेन पता है, ये मेडिसिन में काम कैसे होता है वो पता है. टेक्निकल क्या होता है? हाँ, हमको प्रोग्रामिंग आता है, हम डेवलपिंग कर सकते हैं, ये एक चीज होता है. फंक्शनल वो होता है, सर मैं कोई भी ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेस या ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्रोसेस, वो सब मैं अच्छी तरह डायग्राम करके बता सकता हूँ, समझा सकता हूँ. मैं वो डेवलपर्स को बता सकता हूँ. डेवलपर्स फिर कोडिंग कर सकते हैं. फिर देन देयर आर टेस्टर्स. टेस्ट क्या करते हैं? जो डेवलपमेंट किए उसको टेस्ट करते हैं. So I recruit a lot of developer guys, I recruit a lot of business analysis or functional people, and I recruit a lot of testing people. These are the three primary broad categories of people that I recruit. So either you want to become a good developer, either you want to become a functional expert, or you want to become a tester. All right. So IT program management is that skill that you need to have to manage these projects. जैसे सब ठीक ठाक रिसोर्सेस है कि नहीं, आप टाइम माइलस्टोन्स मीट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, आप जो चेक पॉइंट्स है, इनवॉइसेस कस्टमर से पैसा आ रहा है कि नहीं, सब लड़के लोग ठीक से काम कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, कस्टमर खुश है कि नहीं, मेरे बॉसेस खुश है कि नहीं. So these guys manage. So there are a lot of certifications that goes around each one of them. आज मैं आपको प्रोग्राम मैनेजमेंट तो सिखा दूंगा, मगर आपको हर चीज में सर्टिफिकेशन चाहिए होगा, राइट? सो सबसे पहला आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि कौन सा स्वीट ट्रेंड चल रहा है मार्केट में, फिर उस ट्रेंड के साथ कौन सा लैंग्वेजेस चल रहे हैं, उस लैंग्वेज को सीखते कैसे हैं, किस तरह हम लोग वो सीख सकते हैं. सो ऑल दीज आर थिंग्स दैट यू वांट टू डू एंड गेट टू दीज लेवल्स, राइट? So I'm showing you some paths that how we recruit people. So when I'm saying I'm representing Cognizant, like that, Amit might represent his organization and everybody else. So we are all recruiting hundreds and thousands of people in these languages and these programs. So I want you guys to really...
Let me ask a question. Are there people who are interested in Salesforce technology specifically? Because we both are from that, right? If they have any specific question, we can take that up very...
Yes.
Salesforce.com. If people are interested.
I think most of the people here, Namit, they are from varied backgrounds, and they all are from Polytechnic Institute. So what I understand is they are looking for a wide plethora of what are the choices available and what routes to take. While we have taken the Salesforce route, I'm sure we can also give them guidance how to go the Salesforce route as well, which I want to, but I want to cover this stuff about what's out there and then get into that stream.
Okay.
That was my intention. Yes, you guys have any question, please let me know. If there is any concerns reference to what I'm talking about, also please let me know. All right. So I've got questions. Let me hear that. Can we use WordPress for website development? Yes. Amit, you can also answer. Shiraz, you can also answer.
Yeah, so WordPress can be used, and I think the basic technology in website development is your PHP, right? HTML, CSS, PHP, right? If you learn the basics, then WordPress kind of technology are kind of derived out of basic concepts, right? So my suggestion to people is focus on the basic languages. Don't get into this jargons, right? So if you're talking about a basic technology, Java, JavaScript for front end, Python, as you're rightly saying, learn these basic technologies, then you will use these technologies in different areas like BI, data intelligence, right? Big data. So you have to know at least a language. And I'll tell you from my experience, and every language has the same kind of constructs. Every language has same kind of variable definitions. Every language has collections, right? If you master one technology, one programming language, the way you think, how you can develop code, if that fundamental concept is all right in your mind, then you can definitely switch different technologies. It's not a big deal to learn one programming language versus another, right? So every year you will see multiple languages coming. Now I can also tell you that there's some languages which are same in pattern. For example, if you take these languages like C, C++, object-oriented languages, Java, right? They are of one pattern because they help you program in a procedural way. They are browser-based technologies, like you have JavaScript and these Angular, React.js. They are meant for programming on the front end, wherein you can make responsive pages, right? Or mobile apps, the front end part. Then there are other technologies like HTML, CSS, which help you make web pages. So depending upon where you want to pitch in terms of the technology and the business side, you will have to learn those languages. I think the best bet for people who are aiming for entering a career, right? Get hold of campus placement. I don't know how common campus placement is. For me, what has worked is from the first time, right, when we finished our engineering college. I mean, I was from IT Roorkee. So all these companies used to come, TCS, Wipro. In the beginning, you will not know what ticks you, right? What is best for you. Enter a grand company. It's not a shame to enter a mass recruitment, right? The point is these companies have good programs. If you enter a company like my company, Capgemini, Wipro, right? They will have programs which will teach you all-round concepts. You don't have to spend hours and months mastering a language. You will understand all around the concepts of database, front end, back end. They make you all-rounder and then deploy you to a technology, wherein then you can develop a preference that, okay, I like this or I don't like this. So I think the first bet is whatever companies are coming to your campus or even not coming to campus, get into a good company which is a higher scale company. I mean, a reputed company. I mean, any company, top 10 company, right? All these MNCs, TCS, Capgemini, Cognizant, Accentures. Get into those. They will give you a good platform. If you don't get a good platform, you'll keep struggling. That is what I've noticed, Arnab. Right? So
Yes.
most of us have been lucky. We got into campus placement through, we were probably from decent colleges, so we got into good companies at the beginning, and that solves 50% of the problem. Because once you enter into that, you will understand that these are the 5-6 things which are the trends or whatever, right? Learning options. You will understand your capability. So, for example, Arnab is talking about developer, tester, right? Right now, you don't know whether you are good enough as a developer or not. What will give you a hint is, if you like programming, right? You are cut out to be a developer. If you don't like programming, but you still like software, some parts of software, maybe you can be a tester. Maybe you can take some operational jobs. That's also possible, right?
Yeah.
So that is the way I would suggest. So right now, Arnab, maybe all these big things, IoT, are very big for people to target.
Yes,
they have
yes.
to enter the right company first. That is my suggestion, honestly.
Yes, very good, Amit. See,
Yeah.
My career has been slightly different, Amit.
Okay.
I was not the premium, so I was a very, very average student. And the way I got through, I was, frankly speaking, I remember I was in a small bank, right? And वो Xerox का काम था मेरे पास. तो मुझे बोलते थे भाई Xerox कर लो ये papers. And I was a coordinator. It was a campus placement from NIT into बड़ा bank. But then what I ended up doing was Xeroxing papers.
No, but
because
Arnab, that's a very good point which you said. If you're not entering campus placement, the other option is take certificates which are recognized by the industry. For example, some people ask about Salesforce Path. What do you do for Salesforce Path? Take up certifications, whether it is Seed Infotech or ABC Institute, you will get thousands of institutes.
Yes.
Take formal certifications, then enter the industry, because then you will end up proving to the world that, okay, you are at a level.
Yes.
You're
Yes.
not begging for a job, right?
So-
That's the point.
Amit, can I say there are millions of startups? Why don't you choose the right path, even if they pay less, but at least you know that you're going into somewhere close to technology. So frankly, मैंने जब technology company join किया था ना, तो मेरे पास engineering degree नहीं था. तो मैंने बोला कि सर मेरे पास डिग्री नहीं है, बट मुझे बहुत मन है टेक्नोलॉजी में काम करने का. एंड ही सेड ठीक है, आप कोऑर्डिनेटर का काम करो. So I got into that company as a coordinator, and in the night I used to study and work on development. And I remember I wrote so many macros and so much cheese अपने finance team में. And I used to generate balance sheet and profit and loss writing macros in that little room. And I said that इतना capability है तो मैं कुछ सीखता. And that's how I got into technology. I started coding in C. And I got to the CIO of the company, and he told me, boss, you've risen from Xerox to a developer. And now, I said, I want to do more. And that was my journey. I remember in Bombay when I came, also, I was part of a sales team. So I used to go from Maker Chamber top floor to the bottom floor, meeting different people and selling things, right? मैं ये भी job कर चुका हूँ. And I did all these kind of things. What I learned, guys, is that if you hit the stone hard, it will crack. And here I am managing all engineers, but I am having no engineering degree. So I'm just a worker, and that's how my story has been. And I manage these people, and I manage to get to my target. So what are the companies out there? So Amit said a great point. There are huge companies. So I'm sharing my screen. I hope you're able to see Accenture, IBM, Capgemini, SAP Labs, Dell, Wells Fargo, Zorian. There are so many companies waiting for people like you if you have the right skill around these technologies. All right. So there are jobs available. There are in Salesforce ecosystem. Amit can also say this particular programming, Salesforce. We recruit almost how many? We have a backlog of 500 children that we want to recruit within Cognizant. This is just for Salesforce practice. Like that, there are thousands and thousands of people we want to recruit. Same way, TCS can say.
I think Salesforce, we will take a separate section. I think people are interested in Salesforce. I think we can probably have a dedicated 10 minutes to tell about Salesforce, because we have a point of view on what we are recruiting when we look at software engineers, right?
Yes, we'll go specific. Now we are just glancing through some of the things out there for you, which is more important. So the next series that we want to do probably will focus more on one particular technology. All right. So I wanted to cover some salaries out there. I wanted to talk a little bit on ERP and CRM. I don't know if it makes sense, Amit, but बहुत समय आप सुने होंगे ना नाम SAP, Microsoft, ये सब कौन है, क्या करते हैं? Those questions are there. If it is, then very quickly, ERP is, managing your finance, inventory, your sales, your purchasing, your MRP, everything within the company. So go for companies like, for example, SAP सीखना है. बहुत जगह बैनर्स रहेगा, राइट? SAP सीखना, SAP वहाँ है, क्या करता है, कैसा है, मार्केट में रिकॉग्निशन है कि नहीं? All those questions are there. So I build up this slide, which is called market share. ये जो प्रोडक्ट है, मार्केट में कितना बिकता है, कितने लोगों के पास चलता है, तभी ना हमें पता चलेगा ना. We should learn those technologies. So SAP, for example, huge market share. Okay, Oracle, huge market share. Microsoft, huge market share, right? We go after these kind of products. SAP Ciclo, Oracle Ciclo, Microsoft Ciclo, go after these technologies. Right? There's a huge market out there that you can go after. The reason I said this is because you must target those companies, target those products that you see a big potential. All right. Then cloud, it's like the skill to have. We are part of the cloud architect team. So Salesforce is not here, but Salesforce is also part of this. Amazon, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, skills that you require in cloud computing. All right. And CRM is also part of it. CRM is also a big part of application. CRM का मतलब क्या है? Example. मैं जब शुरू में आया था, मुझे भी पता नहीं था, आपको भी पता हो ना हो. Customer relationship management, right? Market share 18% of Salesforce, then SAP and Oracle, because these are huge market, right? हम लोग ये skill सीखते हैं, हम लोग को ERP पता है, हम लोग को CRM पता है. CRM में क्या सीखते हैं, कौन सा language सीखते हैं, right? So we see there's a huge pie here which Amit was talking about. Salesforce.com, Adobe, Oracle, Microsoft, these are all there in the CRM technology, right? So you want to choose कि कौन सा product आगे बढ़ रहा है, right? So this is one parameter by which you can choose certain technology or certain product. So with that, more or less, we are at 6:30, which is about 1 hour of overall time. I want to take stock at certain questions and then get into some more areas. But I want to hear more questions from your side. What is of interest, where you want to grow, what you want to do. So I still see people coming in as well, but they won't get much if they come in now.
There are a lot of questions on AI, I see, right? I mean, yes, artificial intelligence, right? People asking a lot of questions.
Okay. I'm looking for Salesforce path. Okay, a lot of people, yeah, I can see I'm looking for Salesforce path. I would like to know. All right. So Ankur, AI is the next future. Okay. CSS Bootstrap, website development, JavaScript. All right. So now it's more of, I would want to ask, you question where you want to grow and where you want to. So I will not have much of decks now. Let's have a Q&A. Let's take up some individual cases. Shaukat, Muskan, Dheeraj, Tushar, Arif, Manik, ask your questions. आपके पास क्या concern है? Because बोलने के लिए तो हम लोग बहुत देर बोल सकते हैं, मगर I want to get to you. You ask me the questions. Ask the questions. Yes, Najar.
Yes, sir.
Ask.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir, and good evening, all of you.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question. Like, as I joined Cognizant in January,
Mm-hmm.
and I digged up into the technology sales course.
Mm-hmm.
First, I thought what was it and what it is, how I can learn, because in our 4 year BTech we didn't learn anything about cloud. We
Mm-hmm.
just know we have to learn programming, we have to learn C, Java, Python, then we will become developer like this. So
Mm-hmm.
as time passes, as I start learning Salesforce, it's interesting, and everything is there. I think if anyone is not good at coding, and so he can go in the admin part in the particular Salesforce. So if I talk about myself, I am not also good in coding. So
Mm-hmm.
I start learning in admin part, then I thought about developer. First I learned all about admin part. So sir, I want to know the means full roadmap of Salesforce, because sir, I'm getting fun in learning Salesforce more and more. Means I'll give more than 5 to 6 hours in a day to learn Salesforce. It's totally interesting, and it's a very fast growing technology that I heard and I think and I saw
So
in the
can I answer
Cognizant
from a
also.
recruitment perspective? When we take interviews, what we look at, that will give you a good answer, right? So when we take interviews, we look at two profiles. Uh, Primarily, one is a developer profile, wherein you need to know configuration, customization, everything, which includes coding, obviously. And the other part is that of a functional person who's a business analyst, who understands requirements, who knows that where configuration coding is required, but probably he does not need to code and configure. So these two are the typical paths which Salesforce offers right now. So depending upon your interest area, right? If you say you don't enjoy development, you can definitely look at the functional path. But for that functional path, you need to be in a role or exposed to clients, understand requirements. And after you understand requirements, you should be able to think of the solution. So let's take a very simple example, right? In Salesforce, you have this configuration customization. If a requirement comes, are you able to think where code has to be written and where configuration has to be done? If you can think about that, you are on path of becoming a functional business analyst. That's the answer. And if not, then you have to go towards that route. So a bit of familiarity with coding will always help. Even if you're not an expert, you should definitely understand where coding is required, at least at that level, right? Most of us, even for example, Arnab and me, right? We have not coded in Apex. I don't make Lightning components, right? But we know where it is used, and that is good enough to manage teams. Now you will definitely not end up being a manager when you start, right? So we are lucky that we've gone to that route. But if you are a developer, you definitely have to be familiar with different kinds of coding. Maybe not an expert, that's fine. But if you want to take a functional part, know where these things fit, so that you can understand the requirement and then think of a solution. Maybe you're not the person who develops the Apex code. That is fine. You understood the point?
Yes, sir.
So
Definitely.
if you're talking
Yes.
about a domain, let's talk about within Salesforce. There are different processes, sales, service, right? Get clarity or expertise on functional area of one of the clouds. Typical example, I'll take Service Cloud. Most of the clients want these support processes, right? Where they have agents, right, who are solving queries. Service Cloud, Community Cloud, these are the hot areas in the large projects. Sales Cloud was also there, but most of people have implemented sales processes. But sales service are the key ones which functionally you should know in and out in terms of features, product features, even if you don't want to know the code. So there are, these options are there from
Yes.
Salesforce technology.
Thank you. We have got more questions. Uh, per Parvez Guru and anyone else here? HOD, computer engineering. Someone has named himself. Yeah, you have a question?
Yeah. Good afternoon,
Yes.
sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, मैं head of department computer engineering, Hope Institute, Government Polytechnic, Jammu. Sir,
Yes.
मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि since we are running the course of diploma engineering for our students, I want to know that before going for the final career, uh, 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 one student who is coming to the institute, what are the basic prospects to go ahead with some particular field? स्टूडेंट जो है वो मोटिवेटेड होके हमारे पास आए वो ये इसके माइंड में ये हो कि भाई ये वाली स्ट्रीम, ये वाली इंजीनियरिंग ब्रांच हम करेंगे तो उसके बाद हमारे यहाँ यहाँ जॉब एवेन्यूज होंगी। वो सिनेरियो आज की डेट में थोड़ा कम मिल रहा है। आता है वो तो ये पता ही नहीं होता कि कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग जैसी क्यों नहीं, तो हमें बड़ा ये दिक्कत का मामला रहता है। तो उस सीन में सर अभी जो आपका ये वेबिनार चल रहा है तो इसमें हमारे साथ बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स जुड़े हुए हैं।
Right.
जस्ट मैं अमित सर से बोलूंगा कि वो थोड़ा सा ना बच्चों को मोटिवेशन के ऊपर दें कि ये मोटिवेट देमसेल्फ कि अगर आप फील्ड में आ गए हो तो आपको आगे ऐसे ऐसे जो है वो लेना है। जैसे आपने बहुत सारी फाइनेंशियल फंक्शनल स्किल्स के बारे में बोला, टेक्निकल स्किल्स में बोला, तो मुझे जहाँ तक फीडबैक मिलता है कि जब हमारा बच्चा डिप्लोमा करके इंस्टीट्यूट से चला जाता है तो बड़ी कम परसेंटेज होती है जो इन स्किल्स के ऊपर पूरा उतरती है। तो इससे थोड़ा इस तरह आप लाइट डालें तो बड़ा अच्छा रहेगा।
अच्छा, मेरा पॉइंट बहुत सिंपल है। ये जो आप कह रहे हो जो फ्रेशर्स हैं उनके लिए एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत ज्यादा कोई भी कॉर्पोरेट नहीं रखता है। आई टेल यू फ्रैंकली, people know that these are fresh people, they have potential. What is important is these people have to show the potential. For example, right, written test, पहला तो written test होते हैं हर कंपनी में, राइट। एप्टीट्यूड आप कैसे बढ़ाओगे? एप्टीट्यूड तब आप बढ़ाओगे जब आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहोगे, डे इन एंड डे आउट पजल्स करते रहोगे, राइट। एज एन ऑपरेशनल थिंग यू कैन नॉट जस्ट बी स्टडिंग कोर्सेज इन दी एनी इंस्टीट्यूट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने भी पढ़ाई करी, लेकिन वो मजे के लिए पजल्स करते थे, क्वेश्चंस करते थे, राइट। कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग सिर्फ मस्ती के लिए करते थे। वो एटीट्यूड आना बहुत जरूरी है। इफ यू जस्ट टेक, आजकल क्या हो रहा है, इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड का जमाना आ रहा है, हर चीज आपको कंटेंट मिलता है, राइट। तो जब पहले जमाने में कंटेंट नहीं मिलता था तो आप सोचते थे, आपके पास टाइम तो सोचने का। अगर आप हर समय यूट्यूब या ये देखोगे ना तो आपके दिमाग की जो जो व्हील है वो चलता नहीं है। तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यंगस्टर्स टू हैव टाइम टू थिंक। और थिंक आप क्या करोगे? थिंक करोगे क्वेश्चंस, प्रॉब्लम्स, तभी आपको मजा आएगा सोचने में। जब आपको मजा आएगा सोचने में, व्हेन यू गो फॉर एन इंटरव्यू, राइट, पीपल विल असेस कि ये बंदा एक्टिव है मेंटली, ही इज नॉट जस्ट अ रिसिपिएंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, राइट, ही थिंक्स, ही डज थिंग्स। सो माय ओनली क्वेश्चन इज डू थिंग्स व्हिच आर मेंटली स्टिमुलेटिंग। You can read books, you can do puzzles, you can do crossword puzzles. I'm just going a bit side में जा रहा हूँ, but these are very important to keep the mind active. सुडोकू करो, कुछ नहीं मिले तो, but do things which are keeping you mentally active. And when you go into interview, first will you have to qualify written test. Written test कैसे qualify होगा? जितने भी aptitude test हैं उनके आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी ही पड़ेगी, अलग अलग टाइप के, राइट। तो जितने लोग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं एग्जाम्स के लिए न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस, दे आर ऑलवेज इन अ बेटर शेप। एक बार आपने रिटन क्वालिफाई कर लिया कहीं पे भी, राइट, नेक्स्ट स्टेप आता है इंटरव्यू। इंटरव्यू में कौन क्या पूछता है? फॉर मी, अ पर्सन नोइंग जावा, सी प्लस प्लस, इफ ही इज एन एक्सपर्ट और ही इज नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट, डजंट मेक एनी मच डिफरेंस, क्योंकि मुझे पता है इंडस्ट्री में जब आएगा तो उसको इतना रगड़ देंगे कि वो सीख ही जाएगा 2 महीने में, दैट्स गिवन। तो क्या उस समय क्या नोटिस करते हैं कि ये बंदा और एट्रीब्यूट्स में कैसा है, जैसे अर्नब वाज सेइंग, राइट, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स कैसे हैं उसके, कैन ही कम्युनिकेट, डज ही हैव कॉन्फिडेंस। ये आएगा जब वो ये सब प्रोसेसेस करेगा। ही हैज टू बी एक्टिव इन स्टूडेंट लाइफ। स्टूडेंट लाइफ में यू हैव टू हैव फन लर्निंग थिंग्स। अगर टाइम पास के लिए यू गो टू दिस, ये है ना, ये W3 स्कूल्स, हैज एनीबॉडी गॉन टू W3 स्कूल्स? हर टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में एक प्राइमर रहता है उसमें। I mean, even after the call, you have not gone to that W3 school में जाओ, कोई भी टेक्नोलॉजी है उसका ट्यूटोरियल मिलते हैं, you can play around with it and see how it comes on the screen. It's so simple. चाहे PHP हो, चाहे वो लैंग्वेज हो, 3-4 चीजें अगर आप सीखेंगे ना एक टाइप की लैंग्वेज में, तो आपको लगेगा लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ बिग डील। जावा में कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। जावा, सी प्लस प्लस में सेम कॉन्सेप्ट है, अलग अलग तरीके से दे हैव पुट, राइट। फिर व्हेन यू गो टू अ सेल्सफोर्स लैंग्वेज, लेट्स से एक टेक्नोलॉजी में अपेक्स लैंग्वेज, आपको लगेगा ये कॉन्सेप्ट तो बोरो किए हुए हैं। So computer languages, it's like they have taken the old concepts and repackaged it again and again, and every company has made a new language name कि ये नई language है, लेकिन उसका बेस वही है, वही लॉजिक है। So I think the important thing is to have fun. जैसे मोबाइल ऐप आजकल, all the kids, right, जो मेरे बच्चा भी है, they take these courses, right, जो coding classes होते हैं, that's actually fun stuff, right, they learn Python, right. So I think this has to be done for everybody. I mean, there are a lot of critics who say that programming सबको नहीं सिखानी चाहिए. I don't belong to that school of thought कि लोगों को सिखानी नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि सीखने तो फायदा ही होगा इनमें. Obviously, I don't want to say कि people should not have fun playing other things, But जो avenues मिल रहे हैं सीखने के, I think people should be actively seeking that out, learning that stuff, and when you qualify a written test and go for the interview, you should crack it. पहली विक्ट्री वहीं हो जाती है. You cannot keep thinking about long term, right? पहले शॉर्ट टर्म सोचना होता है. जॉब अच्छी लगनी बहुत जरूरी है. फर्स्ट थिंग फॉर एवरी यंगस्टर. जॉब अच्छी तब लगेगी when you qualify these two things. Yes, then options will open up for you, right? I hope that answers some points.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Very much effective answer you have given. Students must be motivated in order to achieve their goal.
और
Thank you.
मोटिवेटेड, हाँ एक और चीज, मोटिवेटेड के लिए लेक्चर सुनने से नहीं होता है. आई हैव सीन सो मेनी यूट्यूब लेक्चर, राइट, टू से मोटिवेट करो. मोटिवेट बोलने से नहीं होता है. यू हैव टू डू थिंग्स टू गेट मोटिवेटेड. वो जो मैं कह रहा था ना, लर्निंग करो, छोटी छोटी चीजें लिखो, राइट क्रिएटिव राइटिंग्स, ऑल दीज थिंग्स बेसिकली ओपन अप द माइंड. तो फिर डर नहीं लगता है किसी सिचुएशन को हैंडल करने में, राइट. यू गेट कॉन्फिडेंट कि मेंटली इफ यू आर एक्टिव, राइट, I can handle this, I can think. Thinking is the basic faculty which you have to develop at any level. आजकल जो डिफरेंस है टॉप और मीडियम और नॉट सो गुड में, वो मेंटल केबिलिटीज का है. वो फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ थोड़ा ना रही, राइट. बाहुबली का जमाना नहीं रहा ना. वो मूवीज में अच्छा लगता है कि तुमने 10 लोगों को मारा, लेकिन अभी मारने का माइंड से गेम खेलना होता है. तो माइंड को शार्प करना इज द फोकस, हैज टू बी द फोकस. तो बेसिकली चैलेंज योरसेल्फ. कोई चीज मुश्किल लग रही है उससे भागो नहीं, इसको सीखो. That's it. तो जैसे धीरज यू वर सेइंग, राइट, कि कोडिंग अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, बहुत बढ़िया, ट्राई करो कोडिंग सीखना.
Yes, sir.
It's not important that you become an expert. Not everybody becomes all likes it, but at least एक ट्रायल करो. So you get confidence कि डरना नहीं है कोडिंग से. कोडिंग is ठीक, okay fine, थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है, बट लॉजिक लगाओ. See, all these things have been developed for basic people. ये जिसने भी लैंग्वेज बनाई है, जिसने लैंग्वेज बने उसने बहुत दिमाग लगाओ, लेकिन इट हैज बीन मेड फॉर नॉर्मल पीपल टू यूज दोस कंस्ट्रक्ट्स. दे हैव नॉट मेड समथिंग वेयर यू हैव टू थिंक सो मच कि तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आए. दे हैव गिवन यू अ लैंग्वेज. लैंग्वेज इज व्हाट? द वे वी आर स्पीकिंग, राइट. वी अंडरस्टैंड आवर सेंटेंसेस. कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड्स अ पर्टिकुलर वे ऑफ थिंकिंग. सो यू लर्न दैट वे ऑफ हाउ टू स्पीक टू अ कंप्यूटर इन इट्स सिंटैक्स. हो गया काम. सो ट्राई टू think it as a simple thing. Don't get overawed. I mean, in my college, right, when I was in 4th year, मेरे एक ऐसी सेशन चला था, किसी पूछा कि सर पेंटियम तो पुराना हो गया, एक नया प्रोसेसर आ गया, हमको ये सब क्यों नहीं आप पढ़ाते. तो कॉलेज, कोई भी कॉलेज, जैसे आपके एचओडी पूछ रहे हैं, लेटेस्ट चीज नहीं पढ़ा सकता, क्योंकि चीजें हर साल बदलेंगी, हर महीने बदल रही है, राइट. कॉलेज आपको सिर्फ ये सिखा सकता है बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑफ थिंकिंग. उस इंग्रेडिएंट ऑफ थिंकिंग को अगर आप अपनी स्किल बना लो, यू कैन यूज दैट इन एनी सिचुएशन. दैट इज द ट्रिक. वो ट्रिक अगर आ गई तो देन यू आर ऑन. फिर कोई डरने की जरूरत नहीं. यू कैन स्विच एनी टाइम योर स्किल. आई होप दैट क्लैरिफाइज सम पार्ट्स.
Yes, Amit. Yeah, just for Dheeraj, I just want to add, Dheeraj, there is this Udemy course which Cognizant provides you for the free of cost, right? So it has all the premium courses, especially related to Salesforce. So what you can do is you can just ask your manager to give you permission for this Udemy courses. And once you get into that Udemy courses, you can start learning from all the best courses of admin as well as development, and those courses are very well curated. So it will surely help you in honing your skills, even if it is administrator or development part.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. Basically, what happened, sir, my intern was completed on April. In April, and suddenly our Cognizant email ID was blocked because our intern was completed. So I didn't able to communicate with my trainer to know better. That's why I asked here about the roadmap and all.
Okay, no sir.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Okay, Shiraz, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. There's been a storm outside, and all the we were out of current. All right. So, any more questions or?
People asking about AI, right? AI is the next future. So AI is good. I think if you want to tell people use cases or what technologies, or I can also tell a couple of things.
Yeah. You say, Amit, no problem.
So
Please.
AI is definitely good. I believe in terms of the languages, I think I think people know, right? Python, R, These are basically used for different kinds of AI technologies. The packages like TensorFlow, there are in Microsoft Azure and IBM, and in fact Salesforce. AI is built in terms of the way. So again, you have to understand the basic concepts of AI. Don't get too bogged down by different technologies. Understand. So AI का purpose क्या है basically? जो human mind करता है, that is what they want the computer to do, right? So they kind of made a model where computer can distinguish images and all those things. It is not a very perfect thing right now. It will take a long time. It's mostly in a trial mode, but people are using that. So I think that's a good line to enter definitely. So if you want to do that, definitely go on that path. Learn the AI skills in terms of languages. And I think that requires a bit of statistical know-how also, because if you notice our knowledge, right? In my MBA, I had this quantitative analysis class. It's not for everybody. So one more thing I like to say, don't get bogged down by the hype. Ye अच्छा hai. Something which is good might not be for you, right? तो प्लीज एवेल्युएट कि आपका बैकग्राउंड है क्या उस चीज में. अगर आप मैथमेटिक्स से बहुत अच्छे हैं, स्टैटिस्टिक्स वाले रहे हैं, एंड यू लाइक स्टैटिस्टिक्स, राइट, देन वेरी गुड, यू माइट गो फॉर दैट. इफ यू डोंट लाइक, टेक सम अदर राउट. अगर आपको वेब टेक्नोलॉजी पसंद है, आपको पेजेस बनाना अच्छा लगता है, रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस वेबसाइट पे बना सकता, मोबाइल ऐप से, यू कैन डू दैट. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एरिया. गेम्स इज अ वेरी गुड एरिया. बट अगेन द पॉइंट इज कि जहां पे बिजनेस हो रही है, इट मेक्स मोर सेंस टू गो देयर. और ये जो अर्नब की जो स्लाइड थी एंटरप्राइज वाली, राइट, एंटरप्राइज एरिया जो है ERP CRM, दैट हैज लार्ज डील्स. सो इफ आई टेल यू द साइज ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इन US, राइट, ऑल these clients give projects to us, right, in most of these companies, they end up at a minimum at $1 million US. This is the size of projects, right? So enterprise space में if you enter CRM, ERP, right, or even maybe a bigger area where large projects are there which take 1 or 2 years, they are large deals, which basically ensures you a lot of employment, practically speaking. Other areas like mobile apps, very good, but yes, they have smaller cycles. Mobile app, you will not hear probably people spending 2 years to develop a mobile app. They're quick things, right? So depending upon the business also, you have to play the game. Where there is money, I believe that where there's money, you want a livelihood, right? Unless you have some other idea which is path breaking, if you follow the convention, wherever the business is there, you would probably like to go into those areas, practically speaking, right? So enterprise space is that space where ERP, CRM, all these areas come, cloud computing. These are big projects. Nothing will be less than 1 year. So it ensures employment, it shows that you get your livelihood, and you will learn a lot of things along the way.
Yes, that's correct, Amit. I mean, absolutely. What you talked about, image recognition, audio file recognition, machine learning, all that is coming up. But it's not yet perfected. Like example, RPA, आप लोग सुने होंगे. जैसे मैं CRM बताया, जैसे मैं ERP बताया, वैसे RPA है, रोबोटिक्स प्रोसेस ऑटोमेशन. RPA का मतलब है जब आपको पॉइंट A से पॉइंट B से पॉइंट D पूरा ऑटोमेट कर देंगे. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैं बचपन में करता था, राइट, मशीन खुलते ही माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस खुल जाता है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस का पहला मेल खुल जाता है. All these kind of automatic clicks and all of that can be automated. RPA, robotics process automation. So there are examples where Flipkart and Amazon uses it to find the lowest price of a phone. For example, आप बैठे हैं, आपको iPhone लेना है, iPhone 7. तो आप क्या करोगे? जाएंगे Amazon में सर्च करोगे क्या प्राइस है, Flipkart में जाके सर्च करोगे क्या प्राइस है. सोचो मैंने एक प्रोग्राम लिखा, Flipkart में जाएगा, प्राइस उठाएगा, कॉपी करेगा, यहाँ पे जाएगा, सबका एक एक्सेल बना के दिखा देगा आपको, and then you will be able to choose which product. So this procedure goes to different things, does all those automation process at a particular time and comes back with its analysis. So that's real automation. And RPA का सबसे बड़े मार्केट में जो प्रोडक्ट्स है वो कौन से है, कोई बता पाएगा?
UiPath, Blue Prism, these are very famous right now.
Yes, in RPA. So absolutely, ये सब नाम आपके लिए थोड़ा नया होगा, but as you go into the work life, you'll get familiar with अच्छा UiPath. And best part पता है, UiPath का सारे ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स ऑनलाइन फ्री मिलता है, आपके पास अवेलेबल है RPA का, मगर वही हमें पता नहीं किधर जाना क्या करना, राइट? So in RPA, if you were to choose in a robotics process automation, one thing, go for UiPath or automation anywhere. These are the products that you can go after and master. So
And one more thing, as you said, right, Arnab, most of us have paths in service companies, right? Cognizants and all these people basically do professional services.
yeah,
There's a good league of product companies which are in IT industry jargon. They are placed above in terms of work content and job satisfaction and the kind of work they do, like Google, Microsoft, right?
yes,
वहां पे enter करना is not simple, right? Obviously, they look at expert programmers from what I know, and they want people who are very hardcore in programming, unlike Google, which can take diverse people. That is what I know. So if you are a a cyber geek kind of person, then Microsoft and all these things are open in terms of programming, right? But mostly in India development centers, you will not have R&D for these ones, if I'm correct. Microsoft, I'm not very sure. They have
yes,
all these in the US, right? Research and development.
yes.
Yeah.
मैं और एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ, देखो ऑलवेज आपको कभी कभी ऐसा थोड़ा टेक्नोलॉजी फील इंटिमिडेटिंग लगता हो, है ना, कि क्या अमित बोल रहा है, इतने सारे लैंग्वेजेस, इतने सारे, हाउ डू आई गेट इन, हाउ डू आई मेक माय पाथ, राइट? सो you have to just choose those and try to get into even startups where you get to learn. Don't go after money, where you get to learn. काम सीखना है, right? That's where you must choose your career. And we have just 2 minutes for 7, so I will quickly wrap up. This is from what I can say is, I'm very delighted for having Amit, Shiraz, and everyone of you here. I'm very glad you were able to make it, and in spite of the storm, I'm still online. So we want to do such sessions like this, even more deeper in particular technology or a particular domain. For example, जैसे अमित ने बोला टेस्टिंग, मैं आपके सामने एक टेस्टिंग बंदा लेके वो हाउ हिज लाइफ हैज मूव्ड एंड टेस्टिंग में क्या स्कोप है वो बता पा सकता हूँ. मैं ईआरपी के ऊपर एक्सपर्ट्स लाके आपको ईआरपी के बारे में किस तरह का जॉब्स अवेलेबल है वो बता सकता हूँ. सो वी कैन डू दिस सीरीज wherever your interest lies, and we will see. We will email and we will have a channel open where we can have a seamless communication with all of you. So I've
I
got
think there's one thing which I think I would like to add on. We've
Yes,
talked
yes.
about developers, right? Some
Yes.
people have interest in business. As you go along, you might start a developer. You might want to enter into business area, not just development, right? So
Yes.
IT is a career path where you can get deals, where you can make proposals, right, to the clients, which is also very interesting area, which Arnav also does. I also do as a part-time basis. It's not a full-time thing.
Yes.
But that's a very interesting area. When I entered the industry, I always wanted that I should do something to get a $1 million deal for my company. That was my aim. My aim was not to become a software expert, right? So if you have that that will also be satisfied by the IT industry, because you will get to work with clients, you can make proposals, and it's exciting to get deals, right? Ultimately, for salesperson like Arnav, who's adrenaline rush comes when he gets deals, right?
Yeah.
That's a good alternative as you go along. Even from the development angle, you can make a foray into business development.
Yes, sales, even service folks, Amit. I mean, there is lot of demand for service people as well. When I say service, it talks about customer service. So when you call up a Vodafone, at the back end, there'll be a person speaking with you. So that can be the person, but he uses certain tools. He uses a telephone, right? So we have a computer telephony integration, and we do all kinds of programming with them. आप जो dialer automatic dial out करता है, वो भी एक domain है, that you can do. There is so many different domains. It is there. Service also is a big part. Service industry, बहुत सारे service, customer service at the back end. A lot of jobs available for that. So everything is possible once you define which route and where
There's
to go.
Also one more area which I think we are talking about development, right?
Yes.
In a lot of product companies, there are marketing departments where if you are very creative, right, in terms of making brochures, technical content, that's
Yes.
also an area where people do work, making content for marketing. It's not a thing typically which developers want to do, but there are people who who are good at creative writing or making content, technical content. For them, that's a path.
Yes. Any more questions? Wasim, I know it's 7, so we have gone past the time. Anil ji, आप भी बताइए कुछ, anything that you want to speak, please.
No, it is going on very well.
Okay.
Quite an interactive session.
Yes, yes.
It is for the students to say actually.
Yes, yes, absolutely. We are all ears to hear all questions. I have a question from Chinmay Pradhan. Is there any program in Salesforce where we can do internship to gain real-time experience? Not only freshers, but experienced person who directly don't work in technology as a developer or admins. So yes, when you talk about working on certain technology, there are certain trainings that like path. अगर आप बोल सकते कोई भी टेक्नोलॉजी पाथ है, तो you must choose at for example अगर SAP है या Salesforce है या Amazon है या Google है, कि उनका खुद का एक ट्रेनिंग पोर्टल होगा, राइट? सब लोग फ्री ट्रेनिंग भी देते हैं. वो ट्रेनिंग पोर्टल में देखिए क्या पाथ आप लेना चाहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल Salesforce, अभी शिराज ने आपके साथ लिंक शेयर किया. Salesforce Trailhead is all free and it is all available. आप अंदर जाइए, जाके देखिए आप कौन सा रोल करना चाहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप BA बनना चाहते हैं, आप QA बनना चाहते हैं, आप डेवलपर बनना चाहते हैं, तो देर आर थिंग्स विच यू कैन गो थ्रू एंड लर्न. आप जब पढ़ेंगे आप देखेंगे वहां पे बहुत सारे इकोसिस्टम ऑफ कंपनीज भी है. आप अपना CV बनाने के बाद आप यहाँ पे जाके इन कंपनीज में अपना CV डाल सकते हैं, स्टार्टअप्स में जा सकते हैं. वहां पे आपको धीरे धीरे आप बहुत सारे साइट है जो प्रोजेक्ट्स, आप फ्रीलांसिंग प्रोजेक्ट कर सकते हैं, आप स्टार्टअप्स में ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. बट अभी का जो प्रॉब्लम है कि वी हैव टू ट्रेन सो मेनी पीपल इन दीज टेक्नोलॉजीज. सो if you get trained yourself, then you become a hot commodity for us. But just because you know, have learned, is not going to be significant unless you are certified for that particular thing. Okay, try admin certification, try some one or two certification to get passed. We'll help you, we will thread the way. I'm going to have special trainings for all of you if you want to on one or two programming languages. We can do that as we go forward. So you can get certified. So आप Google में जाइए, Google पढ़िए, Google certification कीजिए, and then your market is out there for you to take. And obviously exposures, so you have to hunt for the job. Right now, if you go to, you will find so many jobs out there in Naukri website also, right?
But I mean, I can tell you very clearly, people always say getting job is difficult. I keep hearing. For the right skill candidate, I don't think there's any dearth of job. I mean, today we are looking for every company, Cognizant, we are looking for candidates who are good. The moment we get a good candidate, we are greedy, we absorb him. The problem is we don't get good candidates. That's the challenge.
Yes,
But Amit,
yes, go on, Anil.
yeah, Amit, assume that suppose a fresher wants to apply to Cognizant. Okay, now naturally he will not have the required skills. So what is the entry path?
I believe they have.
How can he apply?
Yeah, I believe Cognizant will have these written tests, right? For mass recruitment, Arnab. The same thing which Capgemini also has.
Yes, we have written tests and we have campus recruitments as well. I will connect with our academy and we will try to arrange these as well for you, sir.
Okay.
And more questions, Divesh, Jasdeep, Utkal. Okay, fine. So, yes.
Yeah, I just want to add a point. I think Chinmay is asking. In Salesforce, particularly, the market has a lot of big and small companies. If, let's say, you don't get into a big company, as Arnav was saying, there are a lot of boutique companies, small companies, which will give you very good exposure in terms of the work. After that, you can join a bigger company. That's also a step which you can take.
Yes, वही तो मैं बोला ना, पहले काम फिर पैसा देखना है आपको.
So if you go to the Google, right, and search on App Exchange and Salesforce, you will get a list of all partner companies by geography. You can basically see in India there will be 20-30 companies, big and small, right? Attack them. So it's very good to be proactive and basically hunt for the segment of company and then apply directly.
Yes.
And that works.
Actually, I'm already in a Salesforce consulting company. Earlier, I was working in the Salesforce team as a technical content writer. But
Okay.
recently, since March, actually, I have been moved to another their like in-house product. So that's completely different and non-related to Salesforce. So I would
No.
just need some guidance, like how to there is chances that people switch from like within the company. So I'm trying to do that. So I just need like how to pave the path, how to prepare to switch.
Correct. So I think Arnav was talking about tailored, right? You can take the admin path first because that gives you point and click configuration. Learn either the sales cloud or service cloud. That's a very good starting point so that you understand the basic functionalities. If you want to be a developer, or probably you'll have to be a developer to begin with, right? You'll have to learn some Apex coding and maybe Lightning Component development. That's mandatory in most cases, right? Otherwise, you can have to take up an admin role, which is point and click configuration, where you know validation rules, workflow rules, security sharing, right? And end at
Okay.
that. So these are the two options which you have.
Okay. Actually, within my organization, mostly there are developer roles are available because they don't have an admin, and I don't think since they
Yeah.
are consulting companies, so they offer services to others.
Okay.
So that's like a bit confusing. Should
Yeah.
I
So
go for admin?
90% of the times we have demand for developers who know configuration and coding, both aspects.
Yeah. Got it. Thank you.
Yes, and thanks Chinmay for asking that question. So the question is, अगर मैं ये लाइन में चली गई है वापस यहाँ पे कैसे आ सकती हूँ? So yeah, you need to change the job probably if you have to really jump into some of it. Lot of times internal shuffle don't happen. Some companies have, मगर यहाँ से उठा के वहाँ पे डालने में भी बहुत difficulty होती है. कभी-कभी वो business justification करना. So if you really are keen and interested, go for it. You need to be focused on where you want to grow and see your trend going forward, right?
Okay. Thank you.
In many cases, for example, my salary I reduced to half to get into a particular job of my choice. I did that because it is important to me. You can do that really.
Yeah. That actually in future that will pay off.
Yes, you must look to the future when you create your present, not look to your past.
But my suggestion is, and I mean, keep hearing this thing, don't try to do dramatic shifts just because you're bored of one profile. I also think about moving from IT industry, and I keep asking people which other industries.
No. I'm not doing that. Actually, it's been a long time.
I'm just joking.
trying to switch.
But there's a phrase in English, right? Grass is always greener on the other side. That's a fact. So all the IT guys think that they'll go someday to a bank, right? All the bank guys think they'll go to some consulting company. Consulting companies think that I'm traveling so much to client side, let me enter some old manufacturing company. So
Yeah.
it's always that same circle, right? Accenture guys move to Cognizant guys move to Capgemini goes to Deloitte. That whole circle keeps going on. So at some point here, you will have to have peace with what you're doing also as well.
Yeah,
Correct.
it actually happens. Earlier, I used to work in entirely marketing. So gradually, since past 3 years, I moved to IT companies. So I moved from a normal content writer to I moved to technical content writer. So I'm just shifting gradually to core technologies.
No,
Yeah.
but I'll tell you a caution, right? In technical content writing, if you explore, there are a lot of good profiles also. It's not that it's a dead end. I mean, maybe you've not given a
it's
thought.
not dead end actually. Since college time, I always wanted to get into code development or all those things. But due to whatever happened in life, so it was difficult to switch. So within the profile I was working, I gradually shifted to entirely software companies, so that I can get an opportunity in future to jump.
So
to
then that is where your determination will see you through. I mean, you'll have to put extra hours, extra effort to shift the line. Whenever you want to shift the line, you will need that extra mojo, right, to shift.
Yes, exactly.
All right, great. So I'll end with one final slide. And no, I'm, बहुत लोग मुझे पूछते हैं अर्नब हो तो गया तेरा, अभी और 10-15 साल जिएगा, क्या करके जा रहा है. I requested Amit to be here. I really want to thank him to
So
be
it's a
here.
pleasure interacting with students here because we've always been in that state, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm delighted, and I really want to do more for all of you. And thanks, Shiraz. You there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and you are an inspiration. When I talk to all of these folks, that you made it through, right, in a very short span, and everybody here can. But एक चीज याद रखना, my friends, my colleagues, my Shiraz, mute करना थोड़ा. Oh, all right. So, life में आपको, whenever you go for jobs and better things in life, please don't forget, your happiness, which is peace of mind. All these are very true to us, and what makes you genuine, and your relationships that you have, your friends, your parents, and everything. And don't just go after money, but go after where you can get what you really want. It might be many things for many people, so just go for it and live your life full. All right, thank you so much.
Yeah, I think if there are no more questions now, we can end the meeting. Unless
Yes.
there are some questions.
Yep.
Jogdev?
I
Hello,
don't
Jogdev?
see any for questions. Yes. Any questions? Please come forward if I missed any to address. So people can go off if you don't have any questions. For those who still have questions, I'm here one-on-one to answer all your queries. Very good. No questions I can see yet. So I believe this was a good session and really interactive, Anilji.
Yeah, thank you, Arnab.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Arjun
Arnab,
sir. Thank
Amit,
you.
and Shiraj, both, all the three.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anil sir. It's our pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I, on behalf of Government Polytechnic, also thank you all.
Thank you,
On
sir.
behalf of and on behalf of my partners and students, all the faculty are also here who are joining in the session. Very fruitful, very career-oriented, informative. All the expert members have given the wide exposure to the students. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.